Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, XRP continues to be in this sideways triangle that might have broken. It's too early to say though. We have some initial indications that this triangle might have ended here, with the rally into the target range that we communicated already weeks ago for this E wave of the triangle. So a contracting triangle consists of basically 5 waves: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave. And in this triangle, we've got obviously 5 waves, as you can see. And the idea was that in an E wave, which is the last wave of that contracting triangle, we would move into the region between roughly 50.6 cents and 53. Okay, and the price did get there here on Monday. So, we might be able to confirm that a top is in, that the E wave of this triangle is complete. I'm intentionally not really labeling it as complete yet, so I leave it open here a little bit. And I always say, you can really only confirm that a triangle is broken if we get a break below what is called the B wave low, which is one of the waves of the triangle. In this case, we talk about the 45.8 cent level. So when that level breaks, that's when we can confirm that the triangle is broken to the downside. There is, however, a level that we could use earlier to get an earlier indication if the triangle is breaking or starting to break. And that will be a break below the D wave low, which is just a wave that basically finishes before this E wave corrective rally. And this D wave is at 47.3 cents, which means that below 47.3 cents, we have a first strong indication that the triangle is indeed breaking to the downside. And that would be the expected direction. As I said before, only really with a break above 55.8 cents, we have to confirm something more bullish is playing out here. But this is it has been a pretty boring range. We've been in this range since the 18th of August now, 17th of August, and it's about time that we complete it. So we have been waiting for this E wave to occur, and then due to the fake news that came out, that target was reached. I would argue it would have been reached anyway. The question is as well, is this already the completion of the E wave? And I have to say at the moment, not entirely convinced yet. While the minimum requirements certainly for this E wave, or the minimum expectations I should rather say, they have been completed and they have been fulfilled, I cannot really fully confirm that the move down has started. Because typically when a triangle breaks, the move down is quite aggressive. Now, this looks certainly not aggressive, okay? Absolutely not aggressive, so rather weak, to be honest. And if this is already circle wave 3, then this would be a small wave 1 leading diagonal in wave 3. This would be wave 2 of wave 3, and we would follow through in a third of a third wave. Bear in mind, this would be micro counting, less reliable. Let's put it onto the chart. It's just an idea, but I can tell you right now, I don't trust it. So it's not, due to the lack of follow through, can't really be trusted. So it would be like this. Let's change the wave degree here. So roughly like this. I will take it off because I don't trust it. But based on this, we would now be in a third of a third wave. Now, does this look like a third of a third wave? Not really, okay? Not really. So it's not aggressive enough, so we still have to keep the door open for a potential reset of wave E a little higher, and that we're maybe just forming a WXY structure in wave E. It would also look a little bit better in terms of the proportions of the triangle. What did we say? We said, okay, we need to reach that area, and as soon as that's reached, we can be watching for a rapid breakdown. Now, that's not happening yet. So nothing's been validated yet, but I can tell you that I don't see the signals that the triangle is already broken and that we're finally breaking down. Now if it happens, it should happen now. Okay, so maybe it happens today, maybe tomorrow. But until we see a more aggressive move and until we break below those swing lows that I indicated, we can't fully confirm the triangle is broken, but it's certainly the range in which we need to be watching now for a completion of the triangle after we've been waiting for it for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. If we then come down, this move to the downside, should be a C wave. So it should play out in 5 waves, and these circled numbers these 5 waves would probably only form the first wave of that C wave, of that larger 5-wave move. So again, also in a 5-wave move, the individual waves have certain sub-wave structures, like a first wave would be a 5-wave move. And eventually we need to break below those swing lows that are indicated, and the overall target for the C wave lies below the 43-cent level. And yeah, so we still need to be a bit flexible. I think this could certainly track a little bit more sideways. There's definitely still space here in the range. We haven't broken any levels, so just still be on your toes here. This is a corrective structure, so we have to expect rapid ups and downs. Okay, so don't think this is a done deal that we already come down. I think the downside pressure is certainly there, but it's not following through yet as it really should if the triangle has broken. Now Bitcoin is sort of potentially ready for a breakdown, so if Bitcoin really follows through, XRP might follow through as well, but at the moment it's just not clearly evident yet. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.